Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an Oakdale Commons update, starting off with the brand new Chick-fil-A right in front of me, and it looks like it's just about ready to go. I'm hearing rumors online of like an October opening or so. They've got the sign on the building. They've got some of the more decorative signs on the building. Now, this plot of land that they're building it on is very, very small. I would imagine this is probably going to be a traffic nightmare when it opens. And hey, before we get into the actual mall, today's video we're going to record in full 360 degrees at 8K resolution, 50 frames a second, which means, in layman's terms, you should be able to look around this video in any direction, anytime, anywhere you want to look, and you'll be able to either move your device or press and hold on your screen and drag the image around, or click on it. Whatever your device allows you to do, you should be able to manipulate this image and move it around. So there's the Chick-fil-A, and now we'll head into the Dick's House of Sport and walk through the entire Oakdale Commons just to see what changes have gone on here in 2026. This is the end of August, almost Labor Day weekend. So thank you to everybody who supports us on YouTube and Patreon. We can always use more members. If you guys want to support the channel and become a member on YouTube or a Patreon member over on Patreon, links are always down in the video description. And at some point during this initial video here, I'll stitch in a couple drone shots of the mall just for fun, because in this 360 video, I don't really have a way to integrate the traditional dramatic openings I like to do. So yeah, let's go into the mall. So other than walking inside, I probably won't do too much in the Dick's House of Sport because I don't think a whole lot's changed in here, but this place is beautiful. I always love how it looks in here. We'll do the rest of the mall next. All right, we've made it to the Oakdale Commons for our August or end of August 2026 update. It's almost closing time, so the mall should be relatively quiet. We've got the brand new Five Below off to our right. I believe you guys saw that in the last update that we did. And one thing about recording this in 360 is I kind of have to hold the stick out further than I would like, but you know, that's just kind of how it goes, because I don't want to be so close to the camera that I'm getting into the seam between the two lenses. But hopefully this gives you guys a very unique perspective on the mall. Now, straight ahead, the Verizon store. This is a very, very significant change, especially if you're local. The two Verizon corporate stores in the area have been sold to indirect agents. So the Verizon in the mall and the Verizon over in Vestal are no longer directly owned by Verizon. So if you're going there and you have billing issues or other problems you need to get addressed, you're not going to be able to do that as effectively as you used to be able to, in my opinion, because they're no longer corporate doors. But I'm sure they can still help you. So we're passing Express, all about collectibles. And I'll have to see, maybe I should be turning the camera the other way because of where the seams are, but, you know, so far, I hope it's turning out all right. Oh, and here's another change. The Express Factory store is moving in where, partly where Victoria's Secret used to be. So we've got Express Factory moving in now. And we'll move over to the right side of the center court, because this is now where the mall offices have been relocated to. The drywall you saw earlier was where Michael's is moving in, down by the eastern hallway, the eastern entrance. And the other side of that hallway is JCPenney. So yeah, there's Express Factory moving in over there. And you can see a worker in the distance putting some finishing touches on the facade. So we've reached center court, and now we're gonna keep walking up towards where the former Sears used to be. We're passing Claire's and Torrid right now. Spencer's Gift moved just across the hallway from their previous location. Home Plus, the furniture store, taking up a good chunk of this wing over here. They've taken pretty much every store from here to the next little atrium up ahead, the northern, I guess you would call it the northern atrium. Home Plus. So it's kind of funny, you see all these individual storefronts, and you're thinking, oh, there might be some more stores up here. Nope, it's all Home Plus on this particular side of the wing. It'll be interesting to see how this video turns out, because I've never edited in 360 before, so it'll definitely be a little bit of a learning curve for me. Here's more Home Plus. I'm seeing a lot of mattresses and a lot of sofas so far in Home Plus. There they are right there. Ye Old Candleman is on the left side. And we've got Dave & Buster's coming up over here. So if my voice sounds a little scratchy, it's because I was out in the sun all day with my kids at State Park. So my throat is quite a bit dry. And my face is probably pretty sunburned. Hot Topic over on the right side. Dave & Buster's actually looks pretty quiet at the moment. Pardon me while I just check the screen to make sure we're still recording. Got Pro Image Sports, which appears to be closed right now. And there's something social services related coming into this upper part of the north wing here on the left side, but I can't remember exactly what it is at the moment. If I happen to remember, I'll be sure to add it. Gigi's Playhouse, I believe, is a fairly new addition. And yeah, here we are. We've reached the end of the mall. You got Factory, Batch, Guthrie, Lord's is down there with their gym. You got Broome County Department of Labor and other offices for Broome County on the other side. So, yeah, we've reached the end of the mall. Let me know down in the comments, what are your memories of Oakdale Mall, or as it's now known, the Oakdale Commons. And maybe we'll take a quick look outside of one of the wings just to see if anything has changed real quick, and then that'll be it. So we're going to go out the west wing here off of Center Court. Of course, you've got Oakdale Pizza right over there. And the reason I'm going out this door for this last little clip here is I think this side is going to be the most different looking from a what has changed perspective, because the former Bradley's, the former Burlington Coat Factory, is now completed and is the Guthrie Orthopedic and Spine Center. But how many of you guys remember going in that door and going into Bradley's, which now the exterior very much looks like it could be a data center. It's very kind of like futuristic, bland looking in my opinion, but you know, I'm no exterior designer. But yeah, this, and I'll put you guys in the air here. Just bear with me if it gets a little rough for a second. There we go. I'll put you guys in the air for a second so you can see the brand new parking lot. And over here, right in front of the building, you have the skeleton of what I assume is a sign they're replacing or getting ready to replace. And you can see the old school design, kind of the, you know, if anybody remembers the old Oakdale Mall signs, they used to have like a rounded shape to them. So there you go. And bear with me, I'm putting you guys back down to earth. There you go. And yeah, the lights have come on for the evening in this brand new western parking lot. So there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our little look around the Oakdale Commons here at the end of August 2026. make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It really does help more people find the video and find the channel. And if you're able to, I'd love your support for the channel by becoming a YouTube member or a Patreon member. Links are always down in the video description. And hey, we'll see you guys next time.